My dear students, our next topic is reproduction in human beings. And as you know, various changes takes place in human body at the time of puberty or at the time of sexual maturity. The reproductive organs in human beings, that is testis in male and ovary in female, and both these become functional only after attaining sexual maturity. And in males, the sexual maturity or the age of puberty is attained at 13 to 14 years of age, and in female it is from 10 to 12 years of age. Now this age is known as puberty or the age of puberty. Now the testis will start releasing out a hormone called testosterone in male, and in female the ovaries start releasing out a hormone called estrogen and progesterone, and both the testis and the ovary produce viable gametes only after the release of this testosterone and estrogen. Now at this age we can see noticeable changes in the body of both boys and girls during the age of puberty. Now some of the points here given, these are common for both boys and girls. See the first point, that is the skin turns oily skin and appearance of pimples. Now the second point is appearance of thick hair growth in armpits and pubic areas, that is genital areas. Now thinner hair on legs, arms and face. So these 3 points are common for both boys and girls during the age of puberty. Now in addition to these 3 points, there are points which are unique for boys as well as girls. So that we can discuss later. So those changes are called secondary sexual changes in males and secondary sexual changes in females. That we can study in detail in next class. Now what do you mean by puberty? Or after attaining sexual maturity, we used to call it as puberty, the age of puberty. Now how will you define puberty? It is the age at which sex hormones, what are the sex hormones? That are testosterone and estrogen are the sex hormones released by the testis and ovary, or that is at which sex hormones or gametes begin to be produced by testis and ovary, and the boy or girl become sexually mature. So this is the period we define it as puberty. So this is regarding some of the points regarding changes taking place in boys and girls in common. So we can discuss the changes in boys and girls separately in the next class. So that is all for today's class.